Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back. I hope you're doing well today. Today, we're going to be starting a brand new series called By the Ear. So, in this series, I'm going to be trying to learn a song or a part of a song only using my ears. So, whatever ear training I developed over the years, all the skills I've had, I'm going to be using them in this series and try to learn the song or whatever part of the song I'm learning as to the best of my ability within the capacity of the video. So today's song that I've chosen is "Rock You Like a Hurricane" by the Scorpions. So we're not gonna be learning the whole song. Just we're just gonna be learning the intro riff, which goes da na da na da na da da da. That one. So I don't have any prerequisites for this song. Well, prerequisites. Me besides the fact that I've heard it a million times, and I know the rhythm, and all I know that it's in standard tuning, and it's in the key of E minor, which will help you find the chords. But besides that, I don't know anything else, and I haven't tried to learn the song at all, despite it being a classic rock song, and also one of my favorites. But we're gonna try to learn it today, and I have my computer right here, and I'm gonna be plugging my headphones in and listen to it. I'm not gonna play out loud because I don't want to get copyrighted because we had those problems in the past. But yeah, let's listen. I'm gonna listen to it, only the intro, and then I'm gonna try to play it. So here we go. Alright, so from what I heard so far, we have 3 hits on one chord. We just have to figure out what that chord is. I know that all these chords are power chords. That's what I've been told, I think. We just have to figure it out. So let's test out some chords. So the first rhythm it goes da na na. It sounds a little bit higher than that. Listen to it again. Okay. Okay, I think the first chord is the E power chord. So 7th fret A string, 9th fret D string, 9th fret G string. Okay, now we have to listen to the second part. Okay, so alright, the second chord, so it goes down, down, and then the chord switches again. So we have 3 hits on the first chord, which is this. That's what we figured out so far. Next chord, it says down, it just has 2 hits on it. So let's see, it's a lot lower. You can hear in the mix. So no, that sounds almost right. That may be it. Let me try some other chords. Okay, let's listen to it. It might be that chord. It might be an A sharp power chord. I'm not sure. Okay. Well, you see, this sounds right, the chord, but it sounds like it's a bit lower. So I'm gonna try playing A sharp here instead. I think that's it. G and the A. I don't think it's A sharp anymore. A sharp sounds a little bit too high. Maybe the A. I'm deciding between A and G, and since I thought it was A sharp before, it's most likely A, because that's what it's closer to. So, sounds like that's about right. I'm not sure. Let's try to find the next chord then. Wrong earphone. Okay, so next chord, there's also 2 hits on it, and it sounds a little bit higher than the last one, but lower than the first one. So I have an E power chord so far, and we have an A power chord. So this one sounds a bit higher than the A, but lower than the E. This also has 2 hits on it, so it might just be above this, or C at key of E minor. Okay, that's too high. Let me listen to it again. That chord right there, D flat power chord, sounds too high. Okay. Is that it? It sounds a little bit off. Okay, wait, we might have to go back a little bit. First chord's right. Second chord, it sounds like the third chord. So, this is the first chord. This is the third chord. We need to figure out the second chord now. So, it's gonna be either, yeah, one of these. Let's try them all out. Okay, alright, we found it. It's a G. Okay, so I was right before. Well, a little bit right, not really. E, G, A, I think. Okay, so far so good. This is the next chord. Okay, there's only 2 chords left. This is da 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 da. Okay, so it's a lot higher. So it's either gonna be up here or anywhere on the A string, and it's ascending. So it was da 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 da. It was da 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 da. So it's still lower, the 2 chords that we're gonna find out, than the first chord, but they're higher than this. It's lower than this, the E power chord though. This sounds right. The C sounds right, but not the D. Wait, no. Is that it? I don't know. C. That may be it. Listen to it again. The chords sound like they're right, but at the same time it sounds a little bit off. Let's listen again. Okay. sound right, but they're not. I listened to it again right now. It doesn't sound exact, so that D sounds a little bit off. So maybe C. Okay, it's C, but it sounds like a lot brighter. So okay, let's start playing it here because it sounds. If you listen to the song, it's a lot more higher pitched or brighter, you could say, the chord. So let's try that. Okay. So it's not this C. Make sure you're playing this C, not this one. Then it goes up, so okay, let's try half a step higher. Is that it? I think that's it. Let me hear. I think we just got it. Wait. Rewind. Play. Da, 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 da. Okay, wait. Wait, I think we got it. Wait. Yeah, that's it. That's it, we got it. There's something off though. There's sounds like an extra chord at the start, so I don't know if he's hitting it. I don't know if he's doing a percussive hit at the start or what, but there's something after this E chord. He goes. There's something he does before he goes to this G. Sounds like you are doing like a percussive hit, like a slide or something. Oh, let's try both. Let's try percussive hit first. Let's try sliding this time now. Listen to it again. Okay, yeah, it sounds more like a slide than percussive hit. I think that's a slide. He doesn't stop anywhere, it just like kind of ends. I don't know if he's sliding or off like the open string or just sliding off to nowhere. And then I think that's what he's doing. I think we got it. Yeah, it doesn't go around again, so you just stop there. That just hit the D chord twice, and that's basically it. Well, it wasn't that hard, but like some of the chords they sounded pretty close. Like when we were struggling between A and G with like a full step apart. I mean, so those were kind of hard, but besides that, it wasn't that hard because I mean I've heard it a million times the song, the rhythm, and knowing the key also helps. E minor, then you can figure out what chords are in the key, even though they're power chords. You can still figure it out. But yeah, overall, it wasn't that hard of a song. And if you want me to do a lesson, then just let me know down in the comments. I'll cover the rest of the song. Well, yeah, for now, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time in episode 2 of By the Ear.